When knitting a project that starts at the center and works its way outward, you might need something like Jeremy's Star Cast-On to make the beginning beautiful and easy. Hi, I'm Jeremy, and this is Jeremy's Star Cast-On. We're going to start by making a loop. Go ahead and take the short end from the left and wrap it around the back. Once you're there, you're going to pinch those two strands together, making a loop. I'm prepping the needle on the right for a yarn over. That first yarn over counts as the first stitch. And then we reach inside the circle to pull up a knit stitch. Yarn over again, and pull up a knit stitch. Then we have another yarn over, and another knit stitch. Yarn over one last time, and pull up one last knit stitch. That's a total of 8 stitches. This cast-on works great with 6, 8, or 10 stitches, always starting with a yarn over and ending with a knit stitch. Go ahead and pull that short strand. It should be tough to pull if your stitches are nice and tight like mine are. I like to get rid of any slack in the yarn so that I have a nice tight star. Then, as Heidi's V cast-on suggests, we're going to cut those stitches in half to join them in the round from 2 double-pointed needles. After that, you just follow your pattern. When you're done, there should be a hole at the center of your work and a loose end there on the back, or on the front, depending on which side you leave it on. Go ahead and pull that loose end when you're ready, and watch those stitches come in to create the perfect star. That was Jeremy's Star Cast-On. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support me, go to designsbyjeremyb at patreon.com. My patterns are available on Ravelry, Etsy, and Lovecrafts. Follow me on social media, and if you've got questions, give me an email. Thank you.